This is Jack. See, this is what I want to do. I'm trying to get everybody I can to help me with this because I love this city of Louisville, Kentucky. I know a lot of people do too. So what I'm doing is I'm taking these videos on my phone. I'm going to take pictures. I'm posting videos on YouTube and pictures on Facebook and PhotoBucket and Flickr. And I'd like everybody else to do the same. You can even email them to me or send them to me somehow. You know, I got email for my blog, rhapsodicleviathan@mail.com. You can use that. And no, I just want to hear it. And on YouTube, on the tags, just put Jack's Rhapsody, Louisville, Kentucky on the tags. You know, help people remember what the city is and what it was. But, you know, new shit. This motherfucker right here get torn down, you'll forget it the next day. So just do it. Just let me know. It's going to take more than one man. Even though I'm the Jack, I can't do this alone. It's a project I need for everybody. All right. That's all I'm trying to say. Because I want people to remember this city for years along. Kids be like, what was right there? You know, here it is. Look on this. That was right there. All right, hit me up.